Hello everyone, I'm not Darius, I'm Manjeet Singh. Welcome to the another session of ServiceNow Deskside chat. Today we're talking with Matt Lloyd, Product Manager for Problem Management.
Hey everyone, hey Manjeet.
So Matt, just to make sure that we are, set the stage and we are on the same page. If I am a new customer running with incident management, why do I need problem management?
Sure. So incident management is all about resolving the incident. It's basically resolving and restoring normal service as quickly as possible. So a workaround can be good enough for incident management. But if you keep finding that you're getting the same incident over and over again, or maybe you've had a major incident come in through some sort of critical business service, and you want to know why, you're looking for the root cause. That's what problem management is all about. You're looking for a fix. You're trying to apply that fix to prevent further incidents.
So how does the app help if I want to do some kind of root cause analysis?
Yeah, so the first thing you want to do, if you've got a workaround, you want to document that on the problem straight away. The reason you do that is that will actually help your service desk to solve their incidents because they can find the workaround from the problem. Once you've got that, you also want to find out what's the cause and what's the fix. And if you know enough to do that yourself, that's fantastic. If you need a bit of help, what you can do is you can create a root cause analysis problem task, assign that out to some other experts so that they can gather that information for you.
So that's really good, Matt. We actually have a few questions that came from the community. So I think it'll be good to, if you can address those questions.
Of course.
All right, so how can a customer manage the known errors? What are some of the best practices?
Sure. So the first thing again is with the problem management piece, those problems can be searched by your service desk, your agents, so they can already get to the workarounds without doing anything else. But if you want to share those same workarounds or that information with people outside of the service desk, you create a known error. It's basically a knowledge article that's for all of the employees to be able to view in your company. So you create that knowledge article, you share it out, and then as your employees come in to create an incident in the service portal, the known error will pop up. Maybe the instructions there are good enough for them to fix it themselves. If they can do that, fantastic. If not, they can always create an incident as normal and then the service desk will take over.
Yeah, that makes total sense to me. I also see questions around, hey, what are the other best practices that comes with the application that our customers can use it, particularly for the new customers to have a good head start from the beginning?
So there's quite a few. We've talked to a lot of different customers and we've kind of boiled it down and we basically baked those best practices into problem management. So we've created some new roles and a prescriptive problem process to help you manage the life cycle of a problem. We've also made it so that if you're working on a problem, you don't have to keep checking back to see are all the tasks done or are all the fixes or the change requests done. We'll actually notify you when that's ready or when they're ready so you can do some more work. And finally, the common configurations that people were talking about, we bake those in as well to make it nice and easy to configure the problem management module. Okay,
that sounds cool because now you have the structured process around it. You're able to track your knowledge base and the workaround. It's a lot more prescriptive. Matt, can you share what is our plan around proactive problem management? How we want to bring in more intelligence into this application?
Definitely. So on our roadmap, the first thing we want to do now that we've got a good baseline process in place is look to help make you more proactive working on problems. So there's two areas we're starting with. The first one is, can we help you find problems that haven't yet been raised? And the second one is, can we help you be more efficient to actually work on those problems as well?
Okay. So one interesting question, I think it's not from the community, but for me is, what's in it for me? Like what else I will get if I'm a new customer? How should I approach to my manager that, hey, these are the benefits of using problem management module?
Sure. So if you've been working incidents and everything's been going great, that's fine. But if you keep seeing the same incidents over and over again, or you think, you know what, we need to get ahead of these incidents so we can actually prevent them and stop them from happening again in the future and make ourselves a bit more efficient, that's definitely an area where you would want to look at problem management. Or maybe you want to deflect some of these incidents with these known errors. Again, that's another area that could be of interest to you. And then finally, maybe you've been waiting for us to actually get a bit more prescriptive ourselves. So now that we've got the new process, you should definitely check out what we're doing around problem management as well.
Absolutely. I mean, problem management is so critical because you want to proactively manage your outages and the issues that might happen, particularly the proactive part of it. Very interesting. Thanks for joining me, Matt. And I'll see you around.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks, Manjeet.
Thanks for joining us today. If you have more questions related to problem management or any other topic, you can leave them here in the comments, or you can check out our product talks, community, and other places, and we will try to address questions in the future episode. Thanks again, and see you next time.